This is my very easy and simple recipe for a rabbit and black pudding pie. Here is a quick look at the ingredients I use for the filling. You can adjust the quantity of ingredients accordingly for the amount of pies you want to cook. In this photo clip, I'm going to be adding ingredients that will make 3 half-size roasting dishes of pies. I am using 7 large rabbits that have been pre-cooked in oven roasting bags to make the meat tender and moist. I have removed all the meat from the bone and diced it into medium to large chunks. I have cut 3 leeks into medium segments and diced 2 sticks of celery into small pieces. I have then peeled and sliced 6 medium to large carrots, chopped 6 large onions and added 1 pound of chopped cooking bacon. I will be using about half of the black pudding stick you see here, but you may want to add more or less black pudding to suit your taste. I have also peeled and chopped 6 large potatoes into medium chunks. Meat after removing it from the bone. I want to use more or less. 2 large roasting tins and mix it all up. For my stock, I will be adding 2 beef stock pots. You can use chicken based stock if you prefer. Bisto granules, a spoonful of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed powder, 1 teaspoon of ground garlic, or you can use fresh garlic, sea salt and black pepper to taste. I then slice my mushrooms crossways and layer them on top of the mixed ingredients. This seems to work well and it stops the mushrooms from breaking up and partially dissolving while cooking. I then add my stock ingredients that I have mixed up with boiling water, keeping it a thick mixture, then pour it on top of the complete ingredients. Once cooking begins, the ingredients will create moisture of its own and juices, so do not be tempted to make the stock runny, as you will just end up with too much fluid in the final cooked filling. Then place the ingredients in an oven that has been preheated to 175 degrees centigrade for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Firm and not too soft or runny. Then place cling film over the pastry and leave it in the fridge to rest for 30 minutes. The next thing to do is to prepare a work surface and lightly dust it with plain flour to roll your pastry on. Rub your dishes that you're using with a light coating of butter. This will avoid the pastry sticking while cooking. I do roll mine quite thin as I'm not keen on thick pastry on pies. An end product that looks something like this. Dishes so that it's nice and thick and quite full. Add the top pastry to the pies using beaten egg to seal the top and the base, and then glaze the whole complete top of the pie with beaten egg. Put a few small holes in the pastry top to avoid the top rising above the filling while cooking. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees, then place the pies in a mid-oven position and cook for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. By this time you should have some rabbit and black pudding pies that look something like this. I hope this short photo recipe for my rabbit and black pudding pies has helped you, and thanks for watching.